another Juan Color Show. And if you know, please subscribe and give this video a like. Today we are going to be doing what we did 2 days ago. So, how this game works, if you haven't seen the other video, and if you haven't seen this video, was we picked something, we got something from here. No, we don't need to do that. So we're both gonna get something. We're just gonna open it, and we're gonna get something from
The items or
from ingredients that are all over there.
Let me spread it out because there's
Okay, guys. So let's just get into the video.
Video.
Yeah. So. Okay,
We're gonna open it at the same time.
Baby is a slow cold, baby is an innocent. Oh my god, that's so bad. Shaving cream!
Rainbow Footies again.
Here, again. What do you mean again?
Yeah, I got
Oh yeah, last time you got.
I just got some. Just right now.
No, you didn't.
Oh yeah, we didn't even do it.
Oh, wait. This one's the open one. This one, like, I haven't used it, but I need to use one of them. Hey, get the other one.
For you or for me?
No, get one for you.
Oh, this is hard. I think I'm gonna grab this one. Oh shit! Wait, I got lotion. I don't get lotion. I got lotion.
Please don't be, baby, oh, baby oil.
I got glitter. Yes, glitter. Once again. I'm getting a lot of things that are sneak. Pick the right choice. Is it gonna be from someone or no? Okay, what is?
Oh, these are not included in this.
What is that?
These are not.
So I got the phone. So I coded this color. I love this one.
Hey, I need to use that too.
Okay, we'll be both using.
Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna organize my stuff. Activator. Get the activator.
Put this in the middle because
You get
like
the
we need
activator.
this like at the end.
Look at the activator. I reached too much.
Wait, let's just like it needs to see our faces. So put that over.
Wait.
Like
I'm
in the
trying
side.
I'm trying to set things up, okay?
I already have my things set up. Okay, guys. So how many things do you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
No, 1, 2. You got more than that. You got more than that. Baby oil, shaving cream, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I give you 2, then I'll have 2. So okay. You need lotion.
Yeah, the lotion. I need lotion. So me and her are gonna share the lotion.
So we both have.
Guys. Okay, so let's just get into the video. Let's just get into the making of stuff.
I was gonna say that.
Baby, it's just
Sí, siempre. Para todo.
Sí.
I really want to eat blue because it smells good.
Sí, ibas a decir que tenías hambre otra vez, Carlita.
Good job. I'm perfect at this.
There.
Today I think I'm gonna make the damage the slime.
What do you want to do? What slime?
The slime job.
Slime what? Oh, shop. She's making a slime shop, guys.
In front of my house.
Outside. Alright. Alright, you ready?
Good. So have all my. Go ahead. Okay, guys. So you can see what we're putting in our slime. Oh, guys, it's because I went like this. And it feels good when you go like this. I was like, it feels good.
I'm already moving on to my second ingredient while she goes takes that. And then
Shaving cream.
wait, 1, 2, 3.
Can you be quiet, please? God.
Bueno, pues sí, no sabía que no.
Guys, look how much I'm putting.
I want to
All the way to the top.
I want to put some so bad.
See the cute?
Yeah, okay. That's it.
No, because you're gonna get it. Wait, no, but like you got more things than me. That doesn't count.
But I still have more things than you.
What?
I still have more things than you. One, two,
One,
two.
No, the glue doesn't count. One,
One,
two,
two,
three. And I have 1, 2, 3.
No,
What the
because I
heck?
just have more. One, two.
You have 1, 2, 3, and I have 1, 2, 3.
I really want. Hey, I wanted my lotion back. I had perfectly lotion. Girl, can you put the lotion back? Okay.
That's not even how the challenge works.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this. This is the only thing.
There, that's not.
Sorry, I just had to do this. Sorry. It smells good.
How do you like that?
Okay, yeah, I didn't ask for that, but there. I'm gonna. That's gonna overflow and make a big slime. Okay. I need it.
And yeah. Just look at mine.
This is gonna make it sweet.
This is so fluffy.
Oh my god, I think I'm fluffier than yours for some reason. Mine's overflowing, guys. This one.
You know what that means. Oh. Shoot, guys, I got it all over it.
Yours is gonna overflow. Lighter, you overflow.
Good luck, bro.
All to you.
Yeah, for getting all mad.
I wasn't getting mad. I was just saying, give me my lotion. I need a lotion too because this slime needs lotion.
Got overflowed, guys. No joke. Like, really, it's overflowing already. I'm scared.
Okay, that's weird, but okay. I'm gonna have my food dye.
Next to my baby oil. Mami, ¿me lo abras? Okay, guys, I'm just gonna be putting my lotion. There we go.
Mine's so big. I think I put more lotion than glue, right? I mean, more shaving cream than glue.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. Definitely. I still have some left.
You want some?
No. No, that's not how that thing works, okay? That's not how the thing works.
I think instead of the challenge that we're actually trying to do, I think it's the helping challenge.
Kind of, yeah. Maybe.
Like the helping hand challenge. Do you even know what that is? You know who did that? X.
Please don't remind me about him. Do you guys know X? That's the rapper who died. Sadly, he died, guys. That's how sad.
Look, it's so sparkly, bro. Look.
I forgot about him because I didn't want to talk about him anymore. Because if I do,
I'll start crying. I was gonna cry right now.
¿Quién? ¿Tú? Sí.
I'm gonna make a
My X. We make this for you, buddy.
or this is gonna be called my XX.
So
Because his favorite color was blue.
X had, when he died, he had blue hair. So reminder.
So yeah.
I need a
I
lot
make-
of
Yeah, because it was a dark blue, right?
Pues es que, pues, te quieren juntar. Ya son varios.
No, it doesn't have to be dark blue. It was kind of like this color. Stop, that's enough. I got this food coloring by Jaime's girlfriend.
Yeah, we all did. I wasn't even here, so. I miss girlfriend return. I mean, which they are. I don't want to tell them, should I? No, right?
No,
I'm not gonna
it's
tell them.
personal information.
I'm not gonna tell them.
Cover.
I'm not gonna tell them. I mean, they might stop following me because I'm not telling them personal information, but still.
Why would they not follow me for personal information that's about my family?
Okay, I'm sorry. It's because you have like a little bit of family.
Dude, is this like even blue?
I know, mine's like white. Mine's stay white.
No, this is blue. It's like lighted blue. But it's good because at least, but at least it has blue. I mean blue, yeah.
But it's just gonna remind me of like
X. I'm gonna call this one Helping Hand Challenge X.
because we helped X. Like literally we actually helped him real life.
How?
You don't remember that time we helped X when he was in Arlington? When he had came to Arlington. I don't even need to add baking soda to this one.
No, we did the Helping Hand Challenge.
Oh yeah, with X. Guys, go to
Dude,
I'm
he
just
did
kidding,
a
I'm just kidding.
video about it and we didn't come out.
We were about to. Right?
No, we were. Stop
I'm
lying.
just kidding. Why would we ever go see X? We can't even go see him.
No, we can't because it's like Dallas and we have like school.
You thought I was being mean. Mine's like literally just plain white and the camera shows blue. But it's literally
It's blue.
mine's just we need baking soda.
Baking soda.
I don't.
We need baking soda.
Is it
Yeah.
still like that?
Is it slime or what?
No, mine's not slime
It's
yet.
not slime. Oh, yes, it is.
It's not slime yet, Carlo. Stop.
It's
Don't touch
slime.
it. Don't. It's a competition. Don't touch my slime. Give me my contact. Give me my contact.
It's not yours. I had to get it.
Or time is. It's her brother's. No, I was gonna say his brother's girlfriend's. But I'm still gonna add baking soda. Actually, no, because baking soda makes it hard. No, I'm not gonna add baking soda. I don't know if you guys actually thought I was gonna add baking soda. I didn't even know that it was gonna work without baking soda.
Baking soda. We need baking soda. Your glitter.
I know, I'm adding that at the end.
I was like, you forgot your glitter, bruh. This is slime. This is definitely slime already.
So I don't want to touch it. Mine is so fluffy. How sticky that is. It's still,
Oh my god, that's awesome.
mine's still sticky, but like, you know, it's fine.
I love Elvia. Like, Elvia is my favorite.
A ver.
Eso es lo que no me cabe en la cabeza. ¿O qué es lo que no entiendo? O sea, no. Y yo me
Should I add more?
Nothing fluffy, but like, oh, just fluffy. Mine's like a tiny.
Because I have a really fluffy slime. Really.
Mine is way too fluffy.
Ah, no.
But my hands are very messy. So we better hurry up.
Oh my god, dude, it's 4:50.
I know, just a little while ago it was 4:11. Like 1 minute ago it was 4:11.
OMG, OMG, no way.
Well, I still have glue down
Nothing is enough without shaving cream.
yo sé que no, pero no me puedes echar eso en cara. No, porque no funciona. Porque le digo a Jimmy, ¿tú crees que ella tiene? ¿Qué crees que ella tiene? Y la pregunta, tienes que tener unos huevos de este tamaño para no volverle a recordar en su vida si se engañó o no.
Mine's so good.
Para volver a repetir.
A little piece is like a best.
Dude, our cups are like overflowing.
Mine is like so.
Can I touch it?
No la vas a hacer. Tienes que borrar y ponerle de
Okay. OMG, this is awesome. I love your slime.
See, once for all, you like my slime.
Oh, Carlos.
Stop, Carlos.
Sorry, that's amazing.
Look at this.
No, mine is not even slime yet.
Yeah, it is.
What the heck?
Let me feel this.
Wait, put it back. What?
This is. Oh, okay.
Dude, I never knew this was slime.
Why does this always have to happen? Like, where's the-
OMG, OMG, no, 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 no way.
Yeah, here's the slime, guys. But mine's better. No, I'm just kidding. I actually like hers more than mine. Who do
OMG.
you like better, yours or mine?
Oh, I don't know.
It's a hard decision because they're both very good. Because we had to shake it.
Shaving cream, I love you.
Yeah, thank you.